Division math quiz question. Question number 1. 6 divided by 2 is equal to option A 3, option B 9, option C 4, option D 8. The correct answer is option A 3. Question number 2. 12 divided by 2 is equal to option A 8, option B 10, option C 9 and option D is 6. The correct answer is option D 6. Question number 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to option A 5, option B 8, option C 6 and option D is 4. The correct answer is option A 5. Question number 4. 18 divided by 3 is equal to option A 8, option B 6, option C 9, option D is 5. The correct answer is option B 6. Question number 5. 27 divided by 3 is equal to option A 8, option B 9, option C 7 and option D is 10. The correct answer is option B 9.